In this video, I will show you how to buy Solana on Kraken. So from your home tab, you're going to click on buy. And here we're going to type in Solana and it's popping up in here. So click on Solana. And from here, we can select the order type. So we can buy now, we can set recurring buys, or we can customize this. And I'm going with buy now. And below order type, you see pay with. And when you click on this, you can select the method that you want to buy Solana with. So you can go with your currency, your Apple Pay, or Google Pay. If you are on Android, you can add a card or you can deposit cash straight away. And I'm going to pay with my Euro balance. And I'm going to buy for €1. So let's click on next. If you want to confirm this transfer, you basically swipe to confirm. And as you can see, we have successfully bought Solana and our purchase is complete. So we can click on view transaction to see the details. And that is it. It will be added to our account. So that is how you buy Solana on Kraken. So thank you for watching and subscribe to my YouTube channel.